What's up, guys, and welcome to today's video. It's Saturday morning, which means I'm hitting the bookstore that I hit every single Saturday morning. Super pumped about this, really looking forward to getting in there. They let me know a couple days ago that they got a new shipment of book donations, and so I'm looking forward to jumping in and seeing what we can find in there. After that, depending on how long I'm here, I might shoot over to Goodwill or one of the other local thrift stores in the area and see what we can find. With that being said, let's jump into this bookstore. All right, guys, bookstore went well, I think. There was not as many books as I had hoped. I did score 20 books at $1 a piece, and so 20 bucks out the door. And I was blessed enough to get a few books, 4 or 5 books that were textbooks, and a couple history books that were $10 to $20 profit a piece. All of the others in the $4 to $8 or $9. I had my minimum for my merchant fulfilled books. I had my minimum profit set to $4. And so everything is either $4 or more in profit. So 20 books is less books than normal, but with more solid profit in those better days with sales, and sales ranks. Yes. So now I have 1 hour until I have to start heading home. So I'm going to jump over to a thrift store and see what I can find there. I will keep you posted. Let's go. All right, guys, I just left the thrift store and locked in some awesome shoes. Got these Jordans right here, youth Jordans. I will throw up the comps for those. I'll throw up the comps for all these shoes that I got. They're all solid profit. I got these red Jordans. Got these red Vans for $5. And not exactly sure what the name of these are. And honestly, I couldn't find any comps, but I love the colors. And so I might keep these for myself. They're size 10.5. Might work. I wear 11, and so we'll see. But hey, super successful day with the sourcing. I'm very happy. We're over a couple $100 for the day in potential net profit. I'm happy with it. So look, I'm signing off now. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you have a great weekend. And if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. Give a big old thumbs up if you like this video and like some of the stuff we got here. Definitely some cool finds. You guys take care. I will see you on the next video.